Let's get it. This is Junior Yunezul is begging on the future superstar.
Sonke mai wafa yale harare ontula ngila pewawa namhlanje langa le you stay alamhlangu bonile kusho mpilo nisiyobonana le mpilo ifuna sihlangane simpiwe Praising God is good, yeah, worship God is good. Praising God is good, yeah, praising God is great. I simply want to go on now. One can say la poina is carrying a mazu Jesu. One Sunday Zabuye lamhlanje masekubona ngapha pasti remember from one ngena ngisabela nase church man ay abantu bependuka samba just get it samba we are so kulunkulu yabetalile yasomtalo yabetalile ngeke sakupikisa kulunkulu mayesevumile ngeke sakupikisa kulunkulu mayesevumile Baba Jehova hamba nami Baba Jehova hamba nami kulunkulu ndembe wena akakomunye wanikusimtwe empilweni yami encourage
Big and My Records Entertainment.